Please select a language. What we got? Gotta go with English. Gotta do it. Let me just do something real quick. I think that's good. Hello everybody and welcome to a game I'm very, very excited for. It's this indie project that came out recently, but it really doesn't seem like just your everyday whatever indie project. It's like something that someone seems to have like put a lot of time and effort into, and I'm like, you know what? It seems like a very good horror experience, so I'm ready to fuck around and find out with this shit, you know? Yeah. Let me just make sure my mic is miking. Check, check, check. Okay. Okay, so far so good. I just got a Project Songbird. Let me just subtitles. Medium. Okay, video. Alright. Permadeath. I saw that out the corner of my eye. Oh, hell no. But maybe that's a good. Maybe we'll stream that at some point. Depends on how long the game is. Alright, story time. Story time. Oh, never mind. It's not story time. Ooh, this is cool. I'm liking the graphics. Let me just adjust this real quick. There we go. That was better than nothing. Yeah, I'm liking the graphics style. Let me just. Alright. Alright. Put that there. Anyway, my fault, you know. Parenting calls, you know. Look at this couch. Nope. Nope. They done broke in my house. They done seen what I got. They don't know exactly what my house looks like. Shit. Nuh-uh. Can I get a flashlight or some shit? No? Okay. What you got going on the computer? Oh, that was probably work now that I think about it. Get the water. Stay hydrated. Hello. Nice to meet you. Go follow this guy on TikTok, Connor Rush. Cool. Well, thank you. I love that. Ready to start? Fuck. Can y'all pick for me? I don't want to commit. I don't want to say yes to I don't want to commit. I don't want to. Okay. Great. Let's start. Let's start. Let's get it cooking. Let's get it popping. I'm just gonna. I have so much anxiety about this now because, like, so many fucking recordings have failed, but I think it's fine. I hope. Whoops. We'll go with the artist's choice. Subtitles on. That's nice. I think that's everything for now. Remember, we can change these and numerous other settings from the settings menu at any time. Nice. I'd really like to thank you for taking the time to play Project Songbird. I appreciate you for appreciating me. Please enjoy. Alright, let's go. Let's kick it. I'm enjoying this. I really like the way the you're spoken to. But hello, I just want to take a moment to say thank you for deciding to check out Project Songbird. This is a project that I started developing during my sophomore year of university as a way to express and work through some difficult feelings I was having regard to my identity and place in life. Developing this throughout school as well as my first post-grad job was by no means a walk in the park, but this game is nothing if not a labor of love and a deeply personal passion project. Never did I anticipate the project Songbird would reach the scope that it has, and I can't thank everyone enough for who's helped along the way, contributing towards making this game a reality. I sincerely hope that you, the player, can take something away from your time with Project Songbird. I would love for it to be able to help someone as much as it has helped me. Thank you, Connor. How can you read that and not want to play it? Like, dead ass. Like, of certain topics that people might find disturbing. I think we got this. You know, we got Resident Evil 7 went on the channel yesterday. I think we're good. Songbirds feature optionally playable vinyl records, full licensed songs from real artists, while artists have signed off and given permission to use a song in game. This unfortunately may not prevent automated copyright checks on any content, including but not limited to Let's Play streams and general gameplay video. If you plan to release content, please listen to the record collection at your own discretion. Gotcha. Maybe we'll do like I'll probably listen to those on stream, but I don't think I'll do them on the YouTube just to because you know. But I'll probably if I listen to it on my own time and there's anything that sticks out to me, I'll credit them in I'll not credit, but I'll shout them out in the description or something in one of the episodes. Men yelling. Why are they so loud? Gunshot. Uh-oh. Don't be playing around with no guns now. Is that like an elevator or a fucking prison cell? Fire games. Dojo system. I hope this is a fire game. Ha 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 ha. 313 313 AM. Okay, since at least a little bit of anything.
Take 27.
Or she's doing. My fault. Been there. Been there.
Never been so far from you. I stare into that portrait. I really. Okay. When I found you, 10 toes off the ground, it was hard to.
I've been there.
Take 28.
I recently had a session like that where I broke my fucking headphones. I had to buy new ones. I unironically had to buy new ones. I was so pissed. I was taking takes over and over again. It was fucked up.
Same dream again. Always the same dream.
Yep. Girl. Lay off the
shit.
cigarettes.
Hey, Dakota. I'm just giving you a quick call to say I got your track from last night, and, yeah, just, call me back when you got a minute.
Practice. Kind of practice.
Okay. Talk to you later.
You wake up, you start making your fingers bleed from the rip. No. No. Nah.
Oh, God, this is gonna be a fun talk. I'll call Rob back in a minute. I should probably wake up
Got
a
the
bit before
bass?
getting into a conversation like that.
Got the guitar. You got the synthesizer.
A simply amateurish and melodramatic take on grief that only scratches the mere surface of... Ugh, just say it's bad if you didn't like it. Pretentious prick. Could probably recite this song review by heart at this point.
Maybe they're right, though.
Music critics are never right, even if they say it's good. An ocarina! Or is that like... I think it's an ocarina. Hell. Microphone. Recording. That's set up for recording a guitar, it looks like. I'll go in here first. Shit! You really got all this shit set up. Hell yeah, I'm trying to get here. So just for context, I am a musician. For anybody like newly tuning into the channel, I am a musician, and I hope to be dropping my first album by the end of this year, or early next year, like February at the latest. You know, so if you are interested in that, stay tuned, and I'll end up linking some stuff, you know, as it gets more closer to time. Girl, you struggling. You struggling. Are you the only one that lives here? Bicycle, bicycle. See, this is the vinyls they was talking about.
Fuck.
I'm sorry. Why the fuck would I do that to her, actually? Like, that was kind of shitty of me. Just like, well, she might have looked at it anyway. She might have the ritual. Coffee. Time for the coffee. Well, hold on. Let's look around for another second. This game really rewarded exploration in the demo. So, I did play the demo on, ooh. I did play the demo on in a recording. What the fuck? Cello?
Should get back to playing the upright more.
Oh, okay.
Sort of fallen out of it recently.
Yeah. See, I love that though. I love that she has an upright bass. Like, who has an upright bass anymore? But I had the demo recorded, but the fucking side was off of the damn screen. So, like, a lot of recordings got scrapped that day, and it was really fucking sad.
Hello, old friend.
Hello, old friend. I'm not trying to make her like fucking drink all that in one sitting. Let's go check out the studio again. See if this coffee gives us any more ideas. I want to play the drums. Ooh, a dartboard. Bongos. Ooh, window. See what I'm talking about? Let that breeze in. Okay. We're about to leave though, so we don't want like people sneaking in the house. Ooh. Canvas painting. That's cool. So you're a painter. You're a big time painter. What's in here? Bathroom. Got any drugs you need to take? You got a medicine cabinet. I don't have a reflection. Where is my reflection? I didn't realize we were playing as a fucking vampire. God. Anything in there? No. Okay. Anything in the bath? You wanna take a bath real quick? We can take a bath, you know, that's perfect way to calm down before we get fucking yelled at. Take a big sip. Come on, come on, come on. God, this coffee never ends. I want this coffee cup. To be able to take this many sips. Like, that's crazy. I suppose we're just walking around. And I suppose I can shut the doors behind me, you know. If my house is gonna be dirty, I can at least shut the doors behind me. You know, clean it up.
Let's see what we've got.
Let's see, we got... I'm just gonna read them out so y'all can go listen to them if you want. Crash, Auric Echoes. Forever Ever. Tommy with a TH, Tommy's Party. Music for Worms, Jaron Alberts. Okay. That's what we starting with. Alright, I think I'm ready to not be drinking this coffee anymore. King Beer. Should have put some beer in the coffee. Nice brew. Cigarettes.
God, Dad would have flipped if he saw me with this. I really should quit.
Yeah, you should. Smoke weed instead. I mean, YouTube. Don't do drugs.
We'll be able to make something good soon. Pinky promise.
Yeah, pinky promise. Okay, so control is crouch. What's that?
Well, at least there's evidence that I have the ability
Silver.
to write good music.
Okay, hell yeah. We got some records cooking. And by records, I mean like the... Oh.
God, we were so young. Dad had to break up our dumb little arguments constantly.
The life of a parent. So she wanted to play guitar from her dad. Like she got it from him. And then, okay. Still good on time. God, I'm missing something. What, do I have to crack one open? No? Okay. Fill her up. Xbox? Holy shit. Anything interactable on the couch? No, I'm gonna peek out this again. 11. So we're in 10? Ooh,
Best
bike.
way to get around Pittsburgh with how bad the driving gets.
Okay, so we in Pittsburgh.
Best way to get around Pittsburgh with how bad the driving gets.
So we just looking at everything, I swear. Which is weird, because when you I swear, this is probably a good thing though, because it's getting you like used to like the level of exploration you gotta do. The hell is that? Where's that light coming from? Oh, it's shining. Check the bathroom again. Clock. My coffee is smoking. Like, that don't even look like steam. It looks a little too dark. And my coffee's invisible too. We got vampire coffee.
Never gets easier to look at.
So that makes me think that she didn't make that. I'm thinking dad or mom did. Concert poster. Live music Saturday. Neon Bird. Best club. Tickets available. Basically just going around. Looking. I'll say. She got some nice digs. I'm gonna say this is a nice place. Oh, that was that. I was like, turn the light off. Good old coat hanger. Get something from the fridge? No. Damn, what is this fucking infinite coffee? I'm gonna just leave it here. See if something happens. Like, do I have a... Just pressing all the buttons real quick, seeing if anything particular happens. Nope. Oh.
Maybe I should call Rob back.
Yeah, you probably should. At this point. That's what it was. We weren't leaving to go see Rob. We were gonna call him back.
Hello?
Hey, Rob.
Hey, Dakota. Sorry, did I catch you while you were sleeping?
Just a bit.
Yeah.
I really should expect that by now, yeah? That's on me.
No, it's fine. I just need to get my sleep schedule back on track. How's Janine doing? How are the kids?
You mean Janelle?
Shit, sorry. Yeah. I used to date this girl named Janine, and now I just swapped the names on accident in my head, and
Hey, it's all good. Janelle and kids are fine.
Okay.
Listen, wanted to call you about that song you sent me last night.
So she's
Yeah,
casually, like she's not ashamed of her
we talked about
queerness,
this,
or like,
Dakota.
kinda.
This isn't what your fans want.
but it's what I...
Oh, fuck
I know
you.
it is, I know. Listen, I think it sounds fine, but Dakota, you're a fucking neon songbird. You have to admit that this is a stark change in sound.
It is, Rob. I know, this is the music that I need to make right now. If I just keep trying at doing things a bit differently, then maybe people will come around.
We've tried. You know, we've tried, Dakota, but this won't sell. Your past few singles have been tanking because your fans
Fuck
aren't
you.
taking to this new direction. They want the bass grooves, they want the synth leads. Critics haven't exactly been kind either. If you keep pushing it in their faces, it'll foster resentment.
What do you want me to do? I can't write anything else. The old stuff just isn't in me anymore. I'm sorry.
I know what happened was awful.
Rob, don't.
I know it was awful. And you know you have my condolences and my family's condolences. I've tried to be there for you as a friend as much as I could, but I mean, we're losing money. You're already 2 months late on your album contract, and
I know! I'm late on the fucking contract!
I know, I'm sorry. Yeah, I hate to keep bringing it up, but God, the label needs the money, and this sound...
Yeah, the
isn't
label needs the money.
So what do you want me to do?
I mean, okay, I have an idea, if you're up for it, but it might be a lot.
I'm listening.
Okay.
So, my friend Don has this log cabin about 2.5 hours south down in West Virginia. Now, I've never been there myself, but I've heard a lot of stories of musicians retreating away for a bit to get out of their element, be around nature. And these guys come out of it having written the best music of their lives. I just thought that maybe if you were willing, I'll give you the directions and we'll give the guy notice that you could be staying all next month. I don't know. I just thought maybe you'd like to take the time away to get an album out. A new classic Neon Songbird album. If you can come out of this trip with at least 10 tracks we can sell, I'll call it a win. Now the place isn't exactly 5-star. You'll be living a bit off the grid, but I don't know. You can show everyone that you've still got it.
You had to get there by boat?
What do you say?
For a place that's off the grid, you had to get there by boat?
You know what? Yeah. Yeah, let's do it.
So she doesn't have much more options. Okay. Act 1. Okay.
Whew, just one more box. I'll carry it up to the cabin and then get settled in.
Alright. Give me that box. Said the very respectful man to a woman. Give me that box. I love the guitar. I love it so far. This game just feels like it's going to heal my soul a little bit. Like it's gonna be very warm. Like it's like obviously it's a horror game, you know, obviously, but like I vibe with horror a lot, and like I feel like overall I'm sure I'm gonna get the shit scared out of me a couple times, but overall this game is gonna feel very like just soul warming, you know, like that's that I immediately was hooked onto the concept of this game, you know, someone going out to work on their album in the middle of the woods. Like it's such like a like I would love to do that, you know, like yeah. Very excited to play this, if you couldn't tell. Anyway, walking through with this box. They did say there was gonna possibly be some stuttering, but that's okay. It's still very new. Let's say it's still pretty new. It only came out less than a month ago. Hell. There it is. The cabin in the woods. Dun, 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 dun. Got a nice fire pit, I think. It looks like one. Got an axe. Give me that right now. Or don't. Never mind. My fault. My fault. Oh, look at how pretty! It looks so pretty. Look at the drums. Still can't read some fucking drums. Come on. Got the bass. Got the guitars. Got a second bass. Got a guitar. And we got that guitar. Flashlight with a battery. Uh-oh. Do the fucking flashlights have batteries in this game?
Alright, that's the last of it. I should get a lay of the land before I start unpacking my stuff.
Give me. Give. I can't believe I agreed to come out here. Yeah, I know I need to get this music done, but it feels so desperate, like a last resort. Music has never been this much of a struggle for me, and it's weird to have to force it like this. I just hope Rob knows what he's talking about. The cabin isn't so bad. It's definitely a bit minimalist, but there's power, and that's all I really need. Dad tried his best to teach me and Finn how to handle ourselves in the wilderness. I really miss the camping trips. Praying that being out here can spark something in me, but I'm not going to get my hopes up. I will say I'm not looking forward to walking outside at night when I have to use the bathroom. Outhouses suck. Fair enough. Yes. Give.
Dawn must have left this for me. Don't really need it right now, though.
You dumb. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But no. You grab that flashlight, dog.
No service.
Yep.
Rob wasn't lying. This place is definitely off the grid. It's a bit chilly out, but that breeze feels so nice in the sun.
Can I?
Crossing my fingers that the spring showers hold off.
For real. Can I? Can I? Well, fine. Get a lay of the land.
Doesn't look like this radio works.
Damn.
Strange.
Coded note. Down, up, up. Up, up, up. Up, down, up. Is it a strumming pattern? Is it the secret sauce? Scrap metal, I'll take it. I didn't know there was going to be a crafting system. Water. Clean water filter, let's go. Do I have a button for my inventory yet? No, I don't. Okay. Oh, good. We exploring. What chime? Well, how do I record it? How? How do I record it? Okay. But how? Do I have to find it?
What's this doing in the middle of the woods? Not like I can get through it to find out.
What the fuck? There it is. Okay.
Ooh, sun's going down. I should chop up some
Alright.
firewood before it gets too cold.
I wanna. Did that work? I can't tell if this is working or not. Oh, there it is. There we go.
Yeah, this will make a great rhythmic sample.
Hell yeah. Now we gotta go chop some firewood.
Ordered up. The wood looks old, though. I bet it'd break easily.
Plenty of time for that later, though. No rush, no rush. You're just getting established, you know. Don't seem to be nothing over here. I do recognize this place from the demo. By the way, the demo is free to play. So if you're looking at this and you're like, I might want to try that out a little bit. The demo is 100% free to play on Xbox, PlayStation, and Steam. So I don't think it's on Switch. Could be completely wrong on that. I'll have to double check in editing, but yeah. So if you're looking at this and you're like, this looks very interesting to me, you should try it out. I 110% recommend trying it out. And if you like it, buy the game, support the developer. You know, like this. I'm loving this so far. So I definitely am recommending you to buy it. But now it's time to go chop some firewood. Ooh, let's check the outhouse out real quick. You gonna take a piss? Yeah.
Oh, holy hell, that's bad.
Mm-hmm. We can hold it. We can hold it a little bit longer. Axe?
Dad taught me how to do this years ago. Let's see if I remember.
Well, that was easy. That was ridiculously easy.
Oh, hell yeah.
Boom. Is that bird getting pissed?
Okay.
Boom. Hell yeah, get that fire started up.
Fuck. I just need to start with a decent scratch track. Guitar, bass, drums, and keyboard.
Fair enough. Gotta start somewhere.
Need a good rhythm guitar.
Feel some grunge. Why not? Okay.
Alright, yeah. That's a good place to start. What's next?
Sure, we go to
Keyboard will
piano
be good
next.
for texture.
Jazzy chords, why not? You know. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's gonna go fire over that bass.
Ugh. Okay. Those two may not mesh perfectly, but I'm sure
The
it'll
fuck
come
you talking
together.
about? The fuck you talking about?
Now what's next?
Fuck you.
Bass always was my strong suit.
Well, now I'm all in my damn head. God damn it.
Damn it. Okay. It's a bit out of place, but maybe people will just
Well,
think
then
it's
let me
experimental.
redo it. Let me redo it if
One
it sucks. You let me do another take. God. It's fine. There'll be plenty of time to plenty of time for redoing. You know, this is just a basic scratch track. That's what she said. Where's the last instrument? Drums.
Gonna need to lock a decent drum groove.
I don't fucking know anymore. Like, dog, I'm like all tripping now. I'm like, said it was just a simple scratch beat, so like simple drums would be the best thing to start with.
Okay. Maybe it's not so bad. Let's check the tape player and see how it turned out.
Oh, that.
Okay.
Let's see.
Here goes
Y'all are gonna
nothing.
see I cooked. I cooked. Trust. Okay. Get rid of that bass. Cut it. Cut it. Cut
This
it. Okay.
Not good.
I admit. I admit I did not cook
How
there.
I am going to create anything if I keep recording bullshit like this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you know what? Maybe I just need to go for a walk. Clear my head. Then I'll get back to recording.
Okay. Day 2. And we're supposedly spending like a month here, so day 2 of 30. The axe is not. Holy shit. We're fucking peak now. Nothing can fucking stand in our way. I'm going. I suppose I can go here. I was gonna say I'm going to that fence where we could break it down with an axe. But I suppose I'm going this way because that's where I was naturally led to, I guess. Okay, that's back towards the boat. Don't really much care for going that way. Hell, I wish will go back. Never mind. Maybe that was the point though. Maybe that whole thing, like, none of that was. Maybe that was part of the point of that whole thing, was none of that was really gonna vibe together. You know. I hope so. I hope I didn't just royally fuck that up. Is the cave still here from the demo? I don't know. Dawn's cabin, radio tower. Is it a functional radio tower is my question. And ka-chunk. And ka-chunk. Gone. Out of here. Oh, here's the
What's
radio
a
tower.
huge radio tower like that doing in a place like this?
Dawn might really want some, I don't know. Can't break these? My fault. Just running around trying to rough shit up, you feel me? How the hell? That's cool. It's sliding through it. Can I not do anything with this? Oh. Dumbass. Crouch under it.
I never was too put off by heights.
Yeah. Good. Some scrap. Let's go with
I
that.
can't get the cover open. Looks like it's screwed on.
We gotta find a screwdriver. What is this? Oh, come on, I wanna press the buttons. It just bombs the fucking cabin. It's a self-destruct button. That it? Okay. Gotta find ourselves a screwdriver before we come back here. Or some type of tool. Wait. No, 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 no. Go back up. I wanted to try busting it with my axe. Yeah. So definitely worthwhile to check that. It's not looking like the cave was here. Now, granted, I don't think I'm in the right spot for the cave, but I think I was a bit earlier and I did not see any cave-like structures. But I'm gonna keep going to the left here. And maybe we'll run into something? Maybe. Who knows? Oh, see, this is where the cave was. Is it? Maybe? Yeah, I think it was, and I guess it's just not here anymore. Oh well. Means I don't have to go in the freaky ass cave. Can I? No? Okay. Okay. Have we gone for a sufficient walk? Can we record our next hit single now? Come on, we got this. We got this. Second time's a charm, you know. Come on, shut the door behind you. Why is your bed so lumpy? Like, fold your fucking sheets down. Can I grab this now?
Dawn must have left this for me.
Okay.
Don't really need it right now, though.
Sure. The music set in all dramatically. Oh yeah, neither of these were fucking guitar. I'm an idiot. I mean, we're fucking bass. I'm an idiot. It was just grunge riffs. What was that? Not a good enough walk? Should we go out and see the boat? Ooh, what is that? What is that? Is that a second fucking building? Oh, chunked all of them. Wow. I'll take the bucket. Yeah, I couldn't read that. Sometimes when the water ain't been used in a while, it comes out all nasty like sludge. This is easy to fix, just needs a filter change. I'm writing these instructions for anyone renting out the place that needs to fix it. Fix it up. Here's what you do. Shut off the water supply, take out the old filter, replace it with a new filter. I always keep one behind the cabin. We got that already. Turn the valves clockwise to calibrate new filter. You have to turn them 7 times in a particular order. But I made a little code up to help me remember. I wrote it at the bottom of the page. Turn the water back on and you should be good to go. If you do everything right, the water should be running all through the pipes. If you ain't hearing it, then you just need to turn the water back off and try twisting the valves again. Okay. 1 and 3, triangle. Okay, I'm guessing. First off, just pop it off. Can I break the window? No. But that's cool.
Yeah, I probably shouldn't mess with these if I don't have to.
So
Yeah, I probably shouldn't mess with these if I don't have to.
So the water's fine.
Yeah, I probably shouldn't mess with these if I don't have to.
Okay, my fault. My fault. What's that? Bro, I thought that was a gun. It's a monkey wrench. Ooh. But what does that do? Select. Damage increase. Damage free blocking. Holy fuck, I want to save up for that. Like, this is just free? Hold up. Like, that would be awesome. I also want to save up for, to be able to look at my gun stuff, so. Collecting scrap just became a lot more important. So we can just become invincible. And you can even parry in this game from what I remember, so like we can become invincible and doing good damage. And another area with things I can choppity chop down. Kerchunk.
Fuck. Getting this album done is gonna be like pulling teeth.
Oh well.
Looks like this leads to some sort of church. The gate's locked, but that padlock looks super weak and rusty.
Yeah. Really? Okay, I guess we have to shoot it off. How are we gonna find a gun here? Oh. So we are gonna find a gun here. That's just what that was alluring to. It's like you need a bullet for it. But at least they gave us a free bullet for that lock. That's back that way. I'm gonna go this way.
Wow, these flowers are gorgeous. If I knew there was nature like this, I would have come to West Virginia a hell of a lot sooner.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, West Virginia is pretty pretty. Pretty pretty. We can stop by the boat. Might as well check it out, you know. See if it got washed away for some reason. Oh. Immediately worth it. I'm guessing it's the sound of the river? There we go.
There's something about flowing water that's just so soothing.
Yep.
This will make a great ambiance.
Perfect, perfect, perfect. We're getting those tape recordings. I'm gonna do my best to get all of them. I don't expect to get all of them, but I'm going to do everything I can to get all of them. More scrap. Let's go. Oh, is this where the cave is?
Wait, what is that under the tree?
Which tree? This tree? Oh.
How the hell? This looks like...
Oh.
What the hell was that? It sounded like it came from back at the cabin.
How do I access my journal again? I know, but I really want to read my fucking journal. Oh well. We'll figure it out later. We need to take more photos, but honestly right now, it's axe time. And I ain't asking. I ain't axing either, you know. Can I ask you a question? Get ready for a lot of axe puns if this ends up becoming a regular weapon. Which I'm pretty sure it is, like the main weapon, like besides guns, obviously. Get back to this cabin. Someone fuck with my greatest single, my next hit single. I'ma fuck them up. We don't play like that around these parts. Okay, here's the church gate. I think it's a church. I think it's a church. Car. Has that always been here?
Looks like an old diesel truck. It's seen better days.
I'm guessing that's always been here. Shit.
Nobody's here.
Did I leave the door open? No, nobody's here. Just like I expected.
Fuck! Did some kind of animal get in? Damn it, I must have left the door opened. Need to be more careful about that unless I'm trying to become bear food.
Right, my fault, that's actually.
Anyway, It's getting dark. I should get some clean water before bed.
Oh, they're gonna make me do that now.
There should be a spigot somewhere around here.
Whoa. No, I'm kidding. Spigot always just sounds like a fucking racial slur to me. And I know it's not, but it just,
God! Jesus, that's foul. I still have a little bit of bottled water with me, so whatever's causing that is a problem for tomorrow.
Okay,
I need to
fair.
get back to work anyways.
You gonna get one? Or, never mind, it's just gonna take me away. Gotcha. Hit up that cigarette.